kids, welcome to Michelle's Playground. I am going to teach you how to make a boat. Okay, first we're going to make boats with this. And the first thing you need to do is fold. Just take your time. If I go too fast, just pause it. Okay? If you get tired, just ask your mommy. And fold it like this. And where it's not cut, you're going to fold it, okay? Just listen to your mommy so well. And listen to my program. I want you to learn. You're going to do this triangle. Now when you see this, just do a scale. Like this. See? It's looking like a boat. Do this. And when I'm finished with this, just make your page to look like that. Now do this. And this. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. And do this if you want to do it like that. And if I'm just doing it upside down, okay? Just listen to it, okay? And ta-da!
Wow! That is awesome, Michelle.
Put your thumb up. Yes, so dive right here. And it's not finished yet. I'm going to paint this. It's looking so great.
Yes, it is looking so good.
Awesome, right?
Are you done?
No, I'm not done. I'm going to paint everything, remember? Look, I'm doing a palm tree right here. You see it like this? Ta-da! It's like a tree, right?
It does. Palm tree.
Palm tree.
What's this?
Coconuts.
Awesome. Right, say bye to your friends.
Bye! I know. See you.
Go.